Hi, I'm Taliah Waajid, founder of the World Natural Hair and Healthy Lifestyle event, and I want to personally welcome you back to the first, the largest, and the best event that celebrates natural hair, wellness, and beauty, all in one exciting place. The dates are April 23rd and 24th, 2022. You don't want to miss this event. It's 2 days of jam-packed fun and excitement. The World Natural Hair and Healthy Lifestyle event will include over 150,000 square feet of exhibit space, with over 300 exhibitors displaying the best and latest in beauty, wellness, and fitness, offering the best discounts and free sampling of their quality products. We have over 40 exciting and fun workshops with topics ranging from do-it-yourself, healthy hair care, wellness, financing, home purchasing, healthy eating, barbering, and so much more. We have women's empowerment and family empowerment panels and workshops that will leave you motivated to move forward. Our main stage offers top talented artists with music genres ranging from R&B, gospel, hip-hop, underground sounds, and so much more. Men, we did not forget about you. Our men's den is dedicated to you. It's another fun and exciting interactive area that offers free and discount haircuts, the latest in men's grooming products, games, music, barber and bear competitions, drinks, and so much more. You can also just chill and hang out at the men's den. We also have a huge children's corner filled with fun activities to keep your little ones happy and active. The World Natural Hair and Healthy Lifestyle event is a family event, so everyone is invited. We have also opened our private and exclusive A1 award event to the public. This event celebrates the stars of the natural hair and multicultural beauty industry. This is where the who's who of the beauty industry attends on Saturday night. It's glamorous, it's elegant, and it's so much fun. And now it's partially open to the public. The tickets for this event are exclusive, and they're very limited and will sell out very fast. So go to naturalhairshow.org to get more information about this event. Also, we expanded parking locations and we increased staff to eliminate the long lines. For tickets to the World Natural Hair and Healthy Lifestyle event, go to naturalhairshow.org and register now. While you're there, sign up for our newsletter, which gets you access to show updates, special show deals, and so much more. Lock in those show dates, April the 23rd and 24th, 2022. What are you waiting for? Go to naturalhairshow.org and register for your tickets today.